Did we bottom, sir? Is 11K still in play? I was actually talking about this on the Zoom meeting with patrons. And just a reminder, you too could become a Patreon. I'm actually going to link it in the chat. Join the Patreon, get exclusive access and benefits. But have we bottomed? It looks like we bottomed. I mean, we could only guess, sort of, but we could take an educated guess. We could take educated guesses. And if you look at the metrics, one of the metrics that, people slept on, but it ended up being probably the most prominent was the Fed. And, the Fed obviously at zero interest rates and quantitative easing was very bullish for crypto, and the Fed at 5% interest rates and quantitative tightening was very bearish for crypto. And it looks like the Fed, it looks like inflation is coming down, and the Fed is going from hawkish to dovish. I mean, we're already seeing that incrementally happen with the rate hikes coming down. So that's bullish for the market. The market should be pricing that in a bullish manner. And then you have, so that's like big. And then you have the 4-year cycle, which topped on time. Let's not forget that. So should bottom on time. According to that, it's bottomed. We have a Bitcoin halving coming up. We have a pulsechain launch. We have a very oversold market to the point where we get bearish news like a Genesis bankruptcy, but we don't even get a dump after that, meaning it's gotten to the point where everyone that would sell based on bearish news has sold because nobody's selling despite very bearish news. Then you have the fact that it dropped 80%, and a lot of people think 85 because Richard Hart said 85, but at the same time, it pumped less, and Bitcoin has been pumping less and dumping less, therefore, every cycle. So an 80% maybe is enough because it only pumped 20% of what it did in 2018. So I'm pretty bullish. I think the bottom's in. I don't think we're going 11K in play, but I don't know. That's why I don't put all my money in at once. That's why I continue to DCA. But I hope that answers your question, Exodus, and I hope you like and subscribe. Hex Squid says, when Moon, in my non-financial advice opinion, end of 2023, beginning 2024. Hex Live, delay is good. Don't understand why people wanted pulsechain to release deep in a bear. Yeah,